Okay, so we've gone through and we've captured our game and we've scouted it. Maybe we've captured our opponent's tapes and we've scouted them. We're ready to actually start going through now and making our video cut-ups. So from the main menu, I'm going to click Digital Editing and Scouting. I'm going to select the game or games I want my video cut-ups to come from. Let's say I play this team Evergreen and I've got 4 of their tapes. All I have to do is highlight all 4 of them, and now when I click video, any video cut-up that I do will come from all 4 of them. So if you want to look at all their 21 trap plays from all 4 of the games, you highlight all 4 of them and click video. All right. In this case here, I'm just going to click my top game, my Lassiter Kell, and I'm going to click video. And I'm going to go ahead and come to the predefined edits menu. This is the menu where you would kind of set up the type of edits that you're going to do each week. So let's say you're going to do 1st and 10 plays, maybe you're going to do 3rd and long, maybe you want to see series 1, maybe you want to look at 2nd down plays, but it's not on that list. So the way to add it to the list is click New, and we're going to go ahead and define it, or if we're going to go ahead and give it a description first of, let's see, we'll say 2nd down plays. And then in the field area, I'm going to define what a 2nd down play is. The 2nd down play is all the times that the down is equal to 2. If you want to get more specific and say, I only care about 2nd down and 10, then below the down equals 2, you would also say the distance is equal to 10. So this gives you all the times that it's 2nd down and 10. All right. So now when I hit done, there it is on the list. All I have to do now is add it to my search and hit search, and it will give me just the 2nd down plays and 10. In this case, I'm going to look for just 1st and 10 plays. So I'm going to click 1st and 10, add it to my search list, and hit search. And I'm going to have 12 plays now that match my 1st and 10 edit. Here they are right here on the list. Now from here, if I want to, I can click the play button, and it will actually play through each one of those. So if you've got maybe a VCR hooked up or an external DVD burner hooked up, and you want to record to that, all you have to do is hit play here, and then hit record on your external device, and it will record to that. What's nice about this is that when this play is over, it automatically jumps to the next play. You don't have to worry about fast forwarding. There's no rewinding. If you're doing it from multiple games, you're not worried about switching tapes every time. It just pulls everything one right after the other. I can also, if I want to, click the Create Movie button and actually make a movie file on my computer of just those 12 plays. So when I hit Create Movie, I'm going to go ahead and set my output file to say, I'll go to my videos folder here. We'll set the output file to my video folder. I'll call it, maybe 1st and 10 plays. I'll hit save, so now it's set up to go to my videos folder. I can also include a title screen if I want to by clicking include title screen. And I can mess with the text, I can make the font bigger, and I can change the font of it. You can get a little fancy with it if you want to put your team colors in, something like that. When we're ready, we'll go ahead and hit create. And it's now going to make a movie file on my computer of just those 1st and 10 plays. Now with that movie file, you can burn it to a DVD using your own computer's DVD burner. You can compress it and you can email it to people. You can upload it to a website. Maybe you're going to do 6 or 7 plays that were considered highlights from each game and throw it up on the school's website. You can do that. You can have students bring in maybe flash drives that they have, and you can copy the video file that you're creating to the flash drive. We're just creating standard Windows movies here. There's nothing special about them. You don't have to have special software to play these videos. As long as you can open up Windows Media Player on a computer, whether it's Mac or PC, you can go ahead and play these. We're getting into the point now where kids are going to have video iPods or iPhones. You can take this video that we're creating, you can compress it down, and you can even put it on iPhones. So maybe kids are going to be looking at video on the bus ride home or later on that night on their iPhone. You can do that for them. And that's really all we're doing with this video. So we'll let it go through and finish creating. When it's done, it drops back into this screen here. If I close out of here and we go to my videos folder, you can see here's my 1st and 10 plays video that I just created. So now I can go ahead and play it. And if I open it with Windows Media Player, it's going to be just those 12 plays that match that edit. So you can go through now as a coach and you can find all the 21 trap plays or all the series 1 plays. Whatever kind of plays that you want to show your kids, you can go ahead and search for them. So here's the first play of this game. Now the nice thing about this program is how open it really is. I can highlight one game, I can highlight multiple games, and then I can search in those games pretty much from anything that I put in there. You can combine fields. As long as you put that information in while you're scouting it, you can go ahead and pull it back in as part of an edit. For example, let's say in this game all I care about are 1st and 10 plays from the left hash. So what I can do is I can go ahead and click it, click video. Well, 1st and 10 from the left hash doesn't exist anywhere in here. Maybe I just want to do it once. I don't really want to add it to my list. I'm not going to be doing it every week. I can go into custom and I can say, show me all the times that the down is equal to 1, where the distance is equal to 10, where the hash is equal to left. So now I've got a very specific search from this game of 1st and 10 plays from the left hash. I'll go to File and Perform Search, and it turns out that there were 3 plays that were 1st and 10 from the left hash. So again, I can play them, I can make a DVD, I can make a movie file, all the things that I showed you earlier that you can do with this video. So you can get very specific with the kind of things that you search for. One of the common questions I get is, am I able to make a highlight DVD or a highlight tape with this? You absolutely are. In this game here, I used my notation 1 field to mark some jersey numbers. So I've got jersey 17 here. So what I can do now is I can go video, and now I want to look for all the times that the notation 1 field had a 17. So I'll go show me all the times that notation 1 contains jersey 17. And now when I do that search, I'm going to get those 4 plays that were highlights for number 17. And again, I can send them to a DVD, I can put them on a flash drive, etc., etc. And that's the video edit side.